Well, the answer is not entirely. What happens is some businesses just require bookkeeping and tax services, and that's it. Other businesses need compiled, audited, or reviewed financial statements. So it really depends at what stage your business is, what's your budget, and what are you looking for to do with your financial statements. So when do you actually need CPA signed financial statements? The requirements are numerous, right? So maybe you are a public company and you need audited financial statements. Maybe your lender is asking for reviewed financial statements, or your lender is asking for compiled financial statements, or just you as an investor, small business owner, you're looking to see your financial statements with some sort of confidence. There are three main types of financial statements that CPAs will sign off on. The first one is an audited financial statement. The second one is a reviewed financial statement. And the third one is a compiled financial statement. So what are they? Well, first, the audit is the most expensive one, and it provides the highest level of assurance. So this is a requirement usually for public companies that are listed on a stock exchange. They are also a requirement if the shareholders decide at the shareholder meeting to have an audit performed. Reviewed financial statements are just a level down from an audit, where the audit procedures are really more limited to questionnaires and analysis of the numbers. So it provides a lower level of assurance than an audit. Finally, the compiled financial statement, which is what most small businesses need. They need to have their statements compiled to get their profit and loss, balance sheet, and retain earnings to see how their business performs. They want to be confident enough that the numbers have been compiled by a chartered professional accountant. Now, the final question is this something a bookkeeper can do? The answer is no. A bookkeeper cannot issue a compiled a reviewed financial statement, or an audited financial statement. They cannot do any of that. The only thing that a bookkeeper does would enter your transactions into your software, and you are able to get your balance sheet and profit and loss from that software if you're using it just, for example, to file your tax return, or you just need to see your numbers. But if you want a CPA to look at your financial statements and follow certain accounting procedures according to the compilation engagement standards, then you would need to hire a licensed CPA and get those statements compiled. So if you feel that you need a compilation engagement report or just CPA advice, please feel free to visit our website and book a complimentary call with us.